Hi, I'm Vicky. I'm glad you're here. I'm painting an abstract piece today in my field watercolour journal. I'm using Daniel Smith paints in different shades of blues. So I'm calling this Painting the Blues. And I'm going to be using some silver metallic ink, using a silver Sharpie, and you can buy these from the local supermarket. They're quite easy to find and they're very good for this kind of work. Now I'm just using some washi tape to tape up the edges of my page. I have this washi here which is about 1/4 of an inch, and then I have an 1/8 of an inch thin piece that I'm going to be using to tape off the various shapes for the painting. Now this is a painting you can get done in under 10 minutes. It's really easy, it's beginner friendly. You can paint really fast. If you don't have Daniel Smith paints, you can use whatever watercolour paints you like. It's just a simple matter of gridding off some shapes with lines that are not completely straight. So they're all on some sort of a slant. And this makes for an interesting, fun composition. This tutorial was originally going to be a YouTube short, but I've decided to keep it in tutorial mode, even though it's a different format, so that you can paint along with me. It's a size 12 Princeton snap brush that I'll be using, which is a round brush. I'm going to start with Cerulean Blue Chromium. And I'm dipping my damp brush into my palette and pulling out some colour. And you can see how quickly you're able to work when you have gridded off those areas. You don't have to worry about carefully painting within the lines. The next colour I'm bringing in is Ultramarine Blue. So whatever blue colours you have, bring them out and use them in this piece. Abstract pieces are a really low pressure way to enjoy using your paints. I'm going to pop on some music and I'll catch you back at the end of the video. This duochrome turquoise is like an interference paint. It's very shimmery and it has a nice sheen to it. So we've almost finished colouring in the shapes, and I'm going to dry this with a hairdryer, and once it's dry I'll take the tape off for the reveal. So here are the colours we've used. I've popped a lavender in there, which is sort of a bluish mauve colour, and some of the nice turquoises, the ultramarine blue, the cobalt turquoise, cerulean blue. So now let's see what it looks like with the tape off. You want to make sure it's completely dry before you remove the tape. That's where a hairdryer is really helpful. And you can see how quickly I painted that and how it looks really clean because of the washi tape. Now I'm going to bring in the silver Sharpie and I'm going to just use some curved lines and straight lines to create the patterns. And I'm taking my time with this because I want different patterns in each of the shapes. Just thickening that line. And you can see how shiny that is. I find this part of the painting really meditative. The paint's dry and now it's just a matter of choosing some shapes that will complement each other and contrast as well. Some shapes will have wavy lines, some will have straight lines, and some will have dotted areas. You can follow the lines of the paint. If you've painted in stripes, you can add stripes. If you've painted in an area that you're not happy with, you can actually hide some of that painting with the silver. It helps to turn around your piece, or turn your piece around, so that you're not only looking at it from one angle. Some of the shapes are quite organic, some of them are more geometric. And there's the finished piece. Consider giving me a like and subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any more videos. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again next time.